And now we can do this filler, but I gotta sand out my patch first. And this one will be a little more tricky because I do want it tight. So getting it in there might be a little tricky. So 1 5/8, a little strong, little strong. Yeah, this wall's not plumb, so this of course looks like I'm gonna have to rip it by hand because that's 1 3/4 and 1 5/8. I don't want to, but that's what I gotta do. 1 3/4, 1 5/8. What I'm going to do is take a brand new utility blade and just slice right along here. I'm just going to score this, and that should definitely help. That'll just cut that finish so it doesn't chip out. That looks a lot better. Okay, now we can try and just feed this in, cut side towards the wall, because I am going to be caulking this in when I paint. I might have to put it in at an angle. A little tap. I'm not going to be able to get clamps on this, and that's okay. Put the screws in. Now I'm going to do this filler the same way. Perfect. There's a gap right here. Not going to hit the shim. Avoid stuff like this. You don't want to mess that up. That attaches the face frame. Now that you've installed all your cabinets.